Scene 1. Introduction. Camera pans over breathtaking landscapes. A golden desert under the setting sun, dense forests alive with movement, majestic mountain peaks dusted with snow, and the reflective surface of a peaceful river. The shot slows as the scene softly transitions into an ethereal throne, glowing with an otherworldly light. The King of the Kingdom of God, a wisdom figure, begins to speak. King of the Kingdom of God, narrator. Behold, the tapestry of time woven with threads of human wisdom. Across the ages, from the great deserts to the depths of the forests, humanity has sought one answer: how to live in harmony with creation. Remember, your true vision is not seen with eyes, it is felt with the heart. Scene 2. Ancient wisdom unveiled. The scene shifts to Chief Seattle standing before his tribe, delivering his poignant address. His backdrop, the lush, stunning Pacific Northwest scenery. Chief Seattle. Our people know this land. The earth is not ours to own. It is we who belong to it. A spirit vision guides our lives, one that transcends the physical realm, teaching us to respect not just the earth, but one another. For we are all bound by an invisible thread. A smooth transition takes us to Australia, where smoke rises and an Aboriginal elder sits by a fire, surrounded by a small group of listeners in a vibrant red earth landscape. Australian Aboriginal elder. In the dream time, our ancestors walked this earth before time began. They taught us that true wisdom exists in the land, in every stone, every tree, every star. This vision is not held in the eyes. It arises from the spirit and connects us all. Scene 3. The wisdom of the Quran. We then find ourselves in a serene, golden-lit mosque, where an Islamic scholar speaks to a gathering of students seated quietly on the carpet. Imam al-Ghazali. The Quran teaches us that the most beloved people to Allah are those who bring the greatest benefit to others. When our eyes are blind to prejudice and our hearts open to compassion, humanity reveals its greatest truth: love, respect, and peace. These life principles are universal in every corner of God's vast creation. Scene 4. Eastern philosophies. The camera opens on a tranquil temple with soft bamboo forests in the background. The Buddha smiles gently as he speaks to a circle of seekers. Buddha. Each moment offers a lesson. We are shaped by our thoughts. What we think, we become. Enlightenment is not above or distant. It is found here, in the heart. True vision is the wisdom of inner peace. Scene 5. Conclusion. A montage unfolds. Families lighting lanterns, children playing under the stars, communities embracing diversity, and individuals meditating in nature. The King of the Kingdom of God speaks over these images. King of the Kingdom of God, narrator. Across time and across cultures, a single truth is voiced. True vision lies within. To see is not to look, but to feel. To be guided by humanity, respect, and the yearning for compassion. As salt preserves and enhances the rice, so does our wisdom contribute to harmony among us. Embrace this inner sight, for it can lead the way to peace. And remember, our differences are not meant to separate us, but to bind us in the beauty of diversity. The screen gradually fades to black as gentle, uplifting music swells. The credits softly roll.